Subway, eat fresh. Anyway guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing really good. I know I'm about to be doing good. So before this video goes any further, I need to give a massive thank you to Sam and all of the guys from the UK crew for sponsoring this video. So I did a little poll on my Facebook a little while ago and I asked you guys, what do you want to see? Do you want to see me take on Subway's massive 6-foot-long party sub? Or do you guys want to see a big menu challenge? Well, all of you guys, well the majority of you guys voted for the big mega long 6-foot sub, but unfortunately it's really hard to get hold of here in England and also it's really expensive. So instead I've opted to do a big Subway menu challenge. Guys, so right here we have got 6-foot-longs, yes, 6-foot-longs. We have got one of their specialty wraps, we have got nachos, we've got 3 different cookies, and of course, Diet 7up. I've got no idea how many calories are right here, but if I can figure it out, I will put it on your screen now. Probably a very big number. But yeah guys, we've got a range of the different subs from the menu, everything from meatball marinara all the way to steak and cheese. We've got a vegan one for all you vegans out there. A little while ago, I posted a KFC video and you guys absolutely smashed it with the likes. My KFC video has almost 1,000 likes and like 20,000 views, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you guys very, very much for that. Honestly, I appreciate all of the support all of you guys are giving me. It just makes me want to continue doing more crazy challenges like this. So if you guys could do me one big favor, and that is smash the like button on this video. Let's try and match the KFC video if we can. That would mean the absolute world to me. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Plenty more crazy videos like this coming very soon. Plenty more menu challenges. In fact, let me know down below where you want to see me go next to do another menu challenge. Maybe Domino's Pizza, we could do Pizza Hut, all kinds of different places we could do. And of course, if you would be so awesome enough to share this video with all your friends on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, that would also mean the absolute world to me. This is going to be very fun. I'm actually really excited for this. In fact, a little fun fact about me is when I was at Chubby McChub a few years ago, Subway used to be one of my favourite fast food places to go to. I think it's because it made me feel healthy, you know? Despite the fact my regular order was a foot-long meatball marinara with extra cheese, just walking into Subway makes you feel like you're being healthy, you know? Anyway guys, let's get into this. I'm excited, I'm ready, I'm hungry. I've got some juice just off to the side here, and got my Quest Cup. Diet Iron Bray drink of Scotland. Sugar free. Right guys, I've got one question for you. What is your favourite thing to get from Subway? Whether it be a salad, whether it be a foot-long, because we are eating a lot of foot-longs today. Yeah. You may notice there is no salad here. That is because I'm not a rabbit. I'm not going to sit here eating salad. I've got the main items, the things that actually matter, the things that are important, the things that you guys want to see. Without further ado guys, this is the ultimate Subway menu challenge. Let's do this. Right guys, let's get into this. I am ready, I am hungry. Let's get started. So I'm actually going to start with these nachos. So I would just like to point out, for some reason, they put like an incredible amount of jalapenos, like a ridiculous amount of jalapenos. So that sucks. They're spicy. Look at the cheese. Normally I wouldn't eat jalapenos, but they're alright, so. Hell yeah. It's spicy. Jesus. so spicy. Oh man, my lips are burning. God damn it. It burns, it burns. When I say it, the lady literally put like a handful of jalapenos on. I'm not joking. Almost a spiteful amount. Where should we start? Right, we'll do this one. So this is ham and turkey breast with mayonnaise, cheese, tomato and sweet corn. I'm actually wrong. It's sweet chili, not mayonnaise, but delicious. Is it just me, or do they put too much sauce on purpose? Like, it's overly sauced. A lot of sauce. Delicious, but a lot of sauce. Right, next up guys, we're gonna do this one, the classic meatball marinara, my personal favourite, on hearty Italian bread. You can tell it's terrible for you, but it tastes amazing. So good. Ugh. Right, meatball one, it's still my favourite, I mean it has to be, you know, it's a classic. Right, next up we're gonna do, we'll try out the vegan sub. It's kind of funny because I added mayonnaise to it, so it's no longer vegan, but actually no, it's got garlic aioli, so it is vegan. So it's got some kind of vegan patty in the middle, don't know whether you guys can see that. Some kind of vegan patty, garlic aioli on 9-grain wheat, so healthy. It's not bad. I wouldn't say it's my favourite. Like, it's not bad, it's just not my favourite. It's like a sponge made of vegetables. Not bad. It's alright, it's trying to be meat, but it's not meat. It's like imitation meat. It's okay. If you're a vegan, you'll probably quite like it, because vegans like all vegetables, so personally, I wouldn't get it again. Right, next up guys, we're gonna have a sip of 7-Up. What next? Okay, we'll try this one, because this one's like overly messy. Like, she purposely put like too much mayonnaise in this. Like, I saw her with the mayonnaise bottle, and she was like, I'll add a bit more. Man, look at the mayonnaise on that. Is there any need? Is there any need? This is chicken tikka with mayonnaise, lettuce, tomatoes on 9-grain wheat. Far too much mayonnaise. It's actually quite a good combination. It's really nice. Still too much mayonnaise though. Far too much. we're 4 footlongs down. Ooh, a lot of bread. A lot of bread. And some diet iron brew. Shout out to Quest Nutrition. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna try out one of the new wraps. So this is the barbecue, oh god. This is the barbecue chicken wrap. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's messy. Oh my god, excuse me. Yep, so the barbecue chicken wrap. I think this is actually brand new on the menu. Some kind of wrap, we've got cheese in there, chicken, bacon, barbecue sauce. I guess you can see that. Let's give it a try. A lot of barbecue sauce. Far too much sauce, that is so sickly. Oh my god. That is awful. It's almost like they had an accident with the sauce bottle. Come on Subway, sort your sauce game out. You're far too generous. Ugh. I mean, the bacon's quite nice, and the chicken's quite nice, but the barbecue sauce, not so much. Ugh. Oh no. That sauce is disgusting, huh? I do not recommend the wrap. Oh my god, right. 3 cookies, 2 subs, some messy hands, orange hands. Right. Next up we're gonna do, what is this? What are you? I think this is the chicken teriyaki. But this is on the brand new bread. This is chili and paprika bread, so it's like a spicy kind of bread. You see, it's really colourful. Teriyaki chicken, sweet onion sauce, lettuce, sweet corn, and that's it. It's weird. It's really weird. You get the spice in the back of your throat from the bread. I don't like it. You can see the chili there. It's okay. It's okay. It's not my kind of thing. I just dropped something on the floor. Once again, just too much sauce. I mean, look at that. What is that, Subway? What have you done to this? You have destroyed a sandwich. Oh. I've actually just realised this cup matches my t-shirt. Isn't that fun? Yum. Right guys, final sub and then we can get onto some dessert. Which is of course the best bit. Right, last one is steak and cheese. Which actually sounds really nice. On hearty Italian herb and cheese. Check it out, steak and cheese. This one's heavy. Mayonnaise, sweet corn. I don't know if you can tell, but I really like sweet corn. I think steak's a very strong word. I would say more like premium cat food. I don't know what kind of steak that is, but it's more like beef jerky. Like, it doesn't taste bad, but it's a jaw workout. Right guys, final part. This steak, man. It's like someone got some rubber bands and just put them together. Come on. I don't know why I added mayonnaise. That's what I mean by sauce. Like, that's mayonnaise there. What is going on? I'll tell you what though. The iron brew is very nice. I like iron brew. Bless you. Final bite. Oh god, right, sandwich is down. Now time to move some of this mess and then get to the cookies. Right guys, cookies, and then we are done. I'm so sticky right now. Right guys, cookies, I've got a double chocolate chunk. We've got the white chocolate macadamia and the, what's this one called? Chocolate something, it's got Smarties in it, I don't know what it's called. Yeah. That's what I need right now. That is everything right now. Like whatever this one is. Let me know what's your favourite cookie from Subway. Mine's the white chocolate macadamia nut, but let me know. I could literally eat like a box of these cookies. If you guys want to see that, let me know. Right, my personal favourite, white chocolate macadamia nut. Woo. That is one naughty cookie. Whew. There we have it guys. According to my camera, that's been going 32 minutes. So 32 minutes for 6 foot longs, 1 signature wrap, nachos and 3 cookies. I don't think that is too bad. That definitely deserves a cheeky like in my opinion. Well guys, there we have it. That was the Subway menu challenge, I guess. What do you guys think to a Pizza Hut menu challenge? A couple of pizzas, a few different sides maybe some dessert. That could be a good idea. Anyway guys, I want to thank you all very much for clicking on this video and taking your time to watch me eat copious amounts of food. I highly appreciate all of you and I appreciate all the support that all of you are showing me on my videos. Plenty more to come, so don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and guys, I will catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.